Hey everybody, it's Steve from My Cold Therapy, and today we're excited to announce we have a new product. We have something called a drain plug or a connector, and you can use this to drain the pad on your Intelli-Flo Kodiak pad. This is what the product looks like. So the first thing you want to do on this is you come in and you press in this tab. Now you take the pad of the Kodiak and you put this on the male part, which is right here, until it clicks in. You hear that click. And then on the female part, you press in the tab. And then what you want to do is you put this pad over the sink and then you just slowly drain it out. Now we did a video on this, so we'll drop it down in the description box below. But this is a great way to clean out your pad after you're using it. Try to get as much water out as possible to go ahead and store it so that way it doesn't get all moldy. And that's really the easiest way to do it. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Put any comments down below in the description box, and let's get back to living.